we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand of electronics that is not from Japan but rather Taiwan. How do you go about pronouncing it? A lot of people say it as ASUS, including another big pronunciation video here on YouTube that suggests it should be pronounced that way. However, there are official videos from the brand itself. The problem is, those two videos that they made are contradicting each other. One says it as ASUS, the other as ASUS. So it makes it clear that the first letter is to be said as A, but we're not sure whether it's ASUS or ASUS. At this point, I guess you can pick. The brand is not sure either how to pronounce it, or they haven't really communicated clearly on how it is to be said in any language really. ASUS or ASUS, it's up to you. How do you like to call it? There are some funny jokes around how this should be said as well. I'm sure you may have heard about those. I'm not going to say it here because this is YouTube, but here are more videos on how to pronounce more tech and brand names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Thanks for watching. I'll see you there to learn more.